and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome Play-Doh ice cream truck. Doesn't it look great? So for this, you're going to need lots of Play-Doh. We've got white Play-Doh, dark blue Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, light blue Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, light brown Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, and a Play-Doh rolling pin. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to separate our white Play-Doh. We're now going to mould it. We want it to be a rectangular shape. This is going to be the base of our truck. Once you're happy, set that aside. Now take a large chunk of the rest of your Play-Doh. Use your Play-Doh knife and square this off. Looking good! This now sits on top of our other piece of Play-Doh. It's already starting to take shape. Now we want to take the rest of our white Play-Doh and roll it flat. Use the roll down Play-Doh to make the bonnet of the ice cream truck. Add the bonnet on top. Great! It's looking like a real truck now. Now we're going to smooth down the edges with our knife. Let's start with the windows. Our truck is already taking shape. We want to make the front windscreen out of light blue, so roll it flat and cut a rectangular shape. It should be the same shape as the front of our truck. See? Perfect! Now we're going to do the same thing with the side windows. There we go! Now we're going to make the base of the truck. I'm using dark blue. Roll it into a long, thin sausage shape. We're then going to lay it around the truck. This is the bumper bar. The bumper bar is only at the front and back of the truck, so cut off any excess. Once you've done the front, make sure you do the back. Now it's time to do the wheels. We of course need to do this with black Play-Doh. Roll 4 balls the same size. We're now going to flatten them using our thumb. Stick them on the side of your truck. Otherwise, your truck's not going anywhere. How many wheels does your truck have? It should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect! Now we're going to make some hubcaps using yellow. These are little balls of Play-Doh and they'll sit in the middle of our wheel. Just like this. You want to do this for every wheel. We also want to do the front lights. We're going to do this with yellow as well. It's looking great! Now we want to add detail to the truck. I'm starting off with light brown. I'm going to roll it flat and cut it. This is going to be the lollipop stick of our ice cream. We want to round off the end. It should be about an inch long. Of course, we need to have the ice cream on our ice cream, so I'm using orange. Round off the top, and then we're going to stick it on top of our ice cream stick, just like this. Super cute! Then we're going to stick it on the side of our truck. It's taking such shape and looks great. Finally, we want to do one giant ice cream on top. Roll out the light brown Play-Doh. This will make the cone. Now I'm using pink Play-Doh. I'm going to make a strawberry ice cream because that's my favorite flavor. Delicious! Shape the ice cream and pop it on top of its cone. And then all we have to do is put it on top of our truck. And we're done! Doesn't that look great? And there you have it, an awesome Play-Doh ice cream truck. Gosh, it looks delicious, that ice cream on top. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed our ice cream Play-Doh tutorials. If you have, please do let us know in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe above. We'll see you again really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh and you're going to make it, and it looks just like ice cream. All you need is 120 grams of corn flour, blue, yellow and pink food coloring, 9 tablespoons of conditioner, ice cream cups and an ice cream scoop. We want to split our corn flour into 3 different tubs, because I'm making 3 different flavors of ice cream. We're then going to scoop 1/3 of our conditioner into our corn flour and add some food dye. Mix it all together and that's it. It's that simple. Corn flour and conditioner. Now we're going to use our ice cream scoop to get a perfect scoop of ice cream. Add it into your ice cream container and you're done! Now it's time to make the other flavors. We've done blueberry, now it's time to make strawberry. Keep mixing. Who knew that corn flour and conditioner would make perfect ice cream Play-Doh? You can use any conditioner you like, and the good thing about it is it makes your Play-Doh smell delicious. Now it's time to scoop. You'd never know this was Play-Doh. It looks just like ice cream. I can't believe it. Now I'm adding yellow food dye. This is going to be a lemon sorbet. Remember, if the mixture is too wet, add a little bit more corn flour. You can add it like I'm doing here. If it's not wet enough, add a fraction more conditioner. This stuff is so much fun to play with. Time to scoop. And there you have it. Doesn't this look like real ice cream? I can't believe it. Ice cream Play-Doh. Perfect. So quick and easy to make, and so much fun.